What's up everybody? We've just finished Sean's Jeep Wrangler Rubicon. We upgraded the radio to the 12-inch screen that has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto wireless. We integrated the backup camera to work with this new screen. We also added a high-resolution Pioneer sound system. We also built a custom stealth subwoofer box that fits perfectly under the rear compartment, and this sounds amazing. So if you guys want to upgrade your ride, come to the experts at Santa Clarita Auto Sound.